are the objectives of our lesson 1 for today. At the end of the lesson, pupils or you will be able to 1. Fill out enrollment and membership form. 2. You are going to identify the misplaced data in an enrollment form and membership form, and differentiate the uses of enrollment and membership form. Before that, let us first read these words with F sounds correctly. So, can you read with me? Let's start. Fill. Fact. Feel. Fail. Form. Find. Found. Follow. And finalize. Good job. Now let's read it together again. Feel. Facts. Feel. Fail. Form. Find. Found. Follow. And finalize. Good job. And now, let me ask you these questions first. Have you tried filling out enrollment form? How about an admission form? And how did you fill it out? Well, just keep your answer by yourselves because later we will be discussing this enrollment and admission form. So what information are asked in the membership form? Okay, there are first name, surname, middle name, grade and section, age, gender, and address, contact number. So those information will be asked in the admission form. Okay, how about enrollment form? What information are asked in the enrollment form? Okay, so let's try to check. Activity 2, let's enjoy doing this activity 2. Let's try to check if you really understand our application form. So here in this activity, you are going to spot the mistake. It means that you are going to look at the data that is incorrectly placed in the form. Okay, so if you can see there, just mark X. Okay, for example, Mikabalo is, you know your classmate Mark Jan Mikabalo, right? Okay, so what is his first name? Is it Mikabalo, X, or Che? Then surname. Is it Che or X? Middle name. Is it correctly placed or not? Next, grade and section. 5 monthly. Correct or not? Age 10, gender male. Complete address 0912462569. Is it correct or not? Contact number Cabaloy Pahak, Lapu-Lapu City. Date of birth, parents' name, reason for joining the club. Okay, if you are done, just keep your answer in your modules for submission on Friday. So now, what I have learned after completing the lesson. So don't forget, these are the things that you need to remember again. Surname is the family name of your father. So you check in the previous activity, it is Mark Gian should be written in the first name or last name. Middle name is the family name of your mother. Middle initial is the first letter of your middle name, which is the surname of your mother. And occupation means the work of your father or mother. Address is the place where you are living. A club membership form is used to register new members for a club or organization. An enrollment form is used to register for classes in a particular school. So, did you understand that? Okay, now let's move on to the next activity. Activity 3, we are going to complete me. So in your module, you can also see this complete me activity. So all you have to do is complete me by writing the data of the given figure form. So what are the data or the needed information asked here to complete me? You are going to fill up your first name, middle name, last name, age, birthday, sex, grade, and section, then contact number. Same as your membership and enrollment form, same information asked, but make sure to fill it up correctly. If possible, avoid erasures, keep it clean and neat. Okay, again, just give your answers in your module for checking. And activity 4, let's check your knowledge. So multiple choice, you're going to choose the letter of the correct answer. So you have these questions in your modules. All you have to do is to encircle the letter of the correct answer. So number 1, Johnson is a grade 5 pupil and he wants to enroll for this school year 2020-2021. So he needs to fill up this form. What form is it? A, enrollment form, or B, club membership form. Number 2, Mrs. Taghap is asking James to complete his data in guidance form. So she is asking him to give his father's family name. What is it? A, James' surname, or B, James' first name. Number 3, Jaira's father is working as factory worker in Met's company. What is being a factory worker of Jaira's father? A, occupation, or B, contact number. Number 4, Raven is one of the smartest class in grade 5 boys mentioned. With that, he liked by the most of his classmates. What is his gender? A, male, or B, female. 5, the last number. One of the famous club organization in Pahak Elementary School is the English Club. You and your friends wanted to join this club too. What form do you need if you want to apply? A, enrollment form, or B, membership form. Okay, again, just keep your answer for Friday's checking. Okay, next, activity 5, let's level up your knowledge because you already know what is a membership form and the enrollment form. So now, I want you to differentiate the enrollment form from a membership form and a paragraph form. Okay, so here in the center, you are going to write that title, of course, the difference of enrollment and membership form. Then, remember the 5 parts of the letter, you are going to indent the first word. Okay, so you are going to the first word of the first sentence should be indented, and then remember to put the correct punctuation mark. So again, keep the answers for checking on Friday. And letter B, you can also see this one in your modules. You are asked to fill out this SPG candidacy form correctly because you're already grade 5, and I'm pretty sure you already experienced voting this SPG election, right? Because it will start in grade 3. All grade 3 to grade 6 pupils will vote for the SPG election. So here, since you're already grade 5 and you will be filing soon candidacy for Supreme Pupil Government, so try to fill up this candidacy form. This is almost the same with the enrollment form. So it asks your student's name, personal details, if your gender, male or female, age, date of birth, email address, mobile, landline, and then desired position. So what position would you like to run to? Whether you like to run vice president, president. Okay, so you're right there in the specific column. And next, there are electoral information, party name. You know party like June's party list. Okay, and then position in the party. You write your position in your party. So signature of candidate over printed name. Over printed name, that means you're going to write your name, all capital letters, and then put your signature above your name. Okay, subscribe and sworn. Okay, here, there's one blank over here. Desired to be nominated, I certify that I am a bona fide student of this school. I, whose name and other personal details are herein stated, do hereby file these certificates of candidacy for the Supreme Pupil Government COMELEC in the election for school year 2020-2021. I do hereby declare my intention and desire to be nominated for the particular position of, you are going to write the position that you wanted to run for. And then here, signature over printed name, then sworn before me this day, the day that you are going to sign your or file your candidacy. And then SPG COMELEC representative, you don't need to, this is the approval for your SPG officer. Okay, so again, just fill up the form correctly and neatly. If possible, avoid erasure and save it for checking on today. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Keep safe and God bless. Again, this is your teacher Hill saying goodbye.